The Fusion Series now introduces a new lineup of dual-channel smart wall switches, featuring dual protocol support and 2 wiring options to fit different homes and setups. You can now control 2 independent circuits with just 1 switch. Simple, clean, and smarter. Forgot to turn off the lights before leaving? No problem. Control everything right from your phone. Smart schedule and scene automation keeps your lighting aligned with your daily routine, completely hands-free. And if you're using smart bulbs, the switch prevents offline issues, even when the physical switch is turned off. By the way, for more flexible setups, we also offer a series of models for 3D printed 2-gang switch frames install Fusion switches alongside other brands. Find them on SONOFF's Maker World account. Fusion Series. Smarter wiring, smarter control, and a cleaner way to upgrade your home.